In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Splitwise support. If you ever run into issues with your expenses, your groups, or your account in Splitwise, it's really helpful to know exactly where to go to get official help. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simplest way to reach Splitwise support directly from your account, and I'll explain what you can expect along the way so you're not left guessing. First, open Splitwise in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main Splitwise page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might appear as your photo, your initials, or a generic user icon, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with different account options. This menu is where you can usually manage your account settings, log out, or access help-related features. In this menu, look for the option labeled Contact Support. The wording may be very similar, and it will clearly indicate that it's for reaching the support team. Once you've found it, click on Contact Support. After you click, Splitwise will open a support or help contact form, or it may redirect you to their help center with a way to message the team. Typically, you will be asked to provide a brief description of your issue, and sometimes you can also attach screenshots. It's a good idea to be as clear and specific as possible. Mention which group or expense you're having trouble with, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened instead. Before you submit your request, double check your email address and details so the support team can reach you with a response. Then send the message. Once it's submitted, watch your email inbox for a reply from Splitwise support. Response times can vary, but providing complete information usually helps them resolve things faster. And that's all you need to do. By clicking your profile icon and then choosing Contact Support, you can quickly get in touch with the official Splitwise team whenever you need help.